Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 46 payment edit forest loop all record selected value other table in Laravel 12. Tuition classes in Laravel 12 and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Contact for website related service +91994159 9815. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP my admin, and this my project is already run. This my Sublime text editor is open, and this project directory this project directory is available. This gem directory inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project available. Let's start this. First of all, this is a payment list is available. Payment table, click this payment table, and inside this is a join query is available. This is a join table student id 234, and this is a list is a Vivek, Mehul and Alex. This 234 is available. Let's click this student inside available. 2 is Alex, 3 is Mehul, and 4th is Vivek. 1 is not available. This table inside this not available, and this is not a show. Let's first of all, this is inside this list file is open. Resource view super admin payment, and this is the index means list file. This is a implementation ts action save file and refresh this page. Successfully action is available. Let's inside this is a td a tag is a create save file, and this is inside this td is a created. Good working. This is the implementation edit button. So first of all, this list file is open. Inside this is available this edit tag a copy, close this file, inside this remove and paste here, and this is a dollar value in id, and this is a name is a payments successfully implementation. This is a url, and this is a under this is dollar value, and this is id means table id. Let's refresh this page. Successfully available. Good working. Let's click this edit, and this payment same name copy route inside this web.php route.vsp open. Inside this is a create route get method. A tag means get method. This is the same name is a copy. This same name is a copy. Otherwise, this is inside this available. This same name copy, and this a tag means available get method. And this is a dynamic ID is a implementation ID payment controller class inside this available payment. Otherwise, this is a edit. Same name copy. This is a name copy, and payment controller already include. This is already included inside this include, and same name edit copy this name copy payment controller open http controller, and this is a payment controller. Let's new function is a create public function, paste here $id return redirect return view super admin dot payment dot edit save file. Let's copy this name edit blade dot php. Successfully create an hello save file and refresh this page, and working fine. This is a hello is available. Good working. Let's same here. This is a table is available student table. So this model is already available. This student model. This is a student model. This model is available. This student model, and the same model inside this is available. This is and same name copy $data pass here $data pass, and this is a model is available. Same name is a copy and find $id. This is a $data is equal to get record paste here. Same name is a edit file is a blank, and this is a add file is a open. Control A, copy this file, fully file is a copy, and close this and paste here. And this is a button name is a sense update button. Successfully this is a update, otherwise edit. Let's refresh this page. 100% all value is available. This is a table is available. Let's insert this is a record is a select. This is a Mehul is a selected, and this is all case and demo test. Inside this not a show. Let's select it. This is a Mehul. Inside this data is already get. In this is a inside this implementation and get record same name copy get record value dollar value get record. Inside this is available amount. Same name copy paste here value. Inside this payment date paste here. Same name copy, and this is a not paste here. This is a not is a paste here. Successfully paste and refresh this page. 100% is a selected, but if this is a not a select, less implementation, this is a select. Let's select. Inside this is a select. Same name copy is equal to this get record, and this is a name is the same name. Inside this is a selected name is a implementation. Selected save file. Let's refresh this page. 100% is a selected. Good working. This Mehul is a selected. This is a name is a not a select, so same name is a copy. This name is a copy, and inside this paste here. This is a paste here, and this is a name is a remove. Get record is equal to this is a method is equal to this is a name is a selected implementation cache. Successfully cache. Same name copy and paste here and paste here. This is a card. Last is a implementation. This is a transfer. Successfully all save. Let's refresh this page. 100% is a select this cache. Let's back button click this. Inside this is a all cache is available. This is a card is available. Let's card and this edit. Successfully card is a selected. All good. This is a all name is a Alex. This is all successfully selected. This is a good. Please step by step write down. This is a all successfully done. Next is a implementation. This is a method is available post method. The same URL is a copy, and this is a post only post, and this is a update. Same name copy, and this is a remove and public function paste here and $ID request. This is a $request. Inside this is a new function is a create. This is the same name is a copy and paste here, and this is a record update. Same name copy and paste here and $ID. Return redirect with success record successfully update. And this is a same name copy paste here save file. Let's copy this name. Inside this model is a open payment model. Is a open. Inside this new function is a create static public function. Paste here $request first, second is a $ID, and the same name is a copy and paste here. The same name is a copy and paste here. Only simple way, find id. This is a remove, find $id, save file. Only successfully working fine. Let's refresh this page. Page is a refresh. Let's update as it is update, and this is a not a issue, and this is a not a good as it is. This is a remove and this is a edit. Vivek is a change. Vivek is a Zohan. Zohan is a select Zohan. Number is a 87. Date is a change. This is a date is a 10. Cash is a transfer, and this is a Vivek is a remove and cable and update. Successfully record is a update. Zohan 87, this is a 10, and transfer and test is a cable. All good, and this database 100% is a change. All good. This third number is a successfully change. This is a descending order, and ascending order is a implementation. This is the number is only 5115 and update, so this is only change. All good. This is a case is a change, and this is a implement card and submit. 100% is a card is a available. All good, and this is a inside this 100% is a change. All successfully. This is a student ID, amount, payment underscore date, payment underscore method, not, and this is a all is available. Student ID, amount, payment date underscore, payment method, and this not, and this is a name is already implementation. This is a form name. This is a, let's check this. First of all, the student ID, this is a name is a amount, third is available payment underscore date, last is a payment method, and last is a this is a not. All successfully good working. This is all updation. This only simple way. All good. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website, and this is a website is available inside, and please my channel subscribe and click the bell icon, follow all social media link inside this my WhatsApp number, and this is my website name is available. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.